Hello, friends. Welcome back to True Restore You. It is Angela, and I'm here with another thrifty haul. And hashtag Thrifty Thursday is sponsored by Sherry at Turquoise Streaming. There are lots of fabulous, fun folks that participate. So if you put the hashtag Thrifty Thursday into the search bar, you will find my videos as well as all of those lovely folks that share their thrifty finds, whether they be from antique stores or auctions or estate sales or yard sales or thrift shops, or even Dollar Tree and Walmart and Hobby Lobby for that matter. But this isn't a huge haul this time, but, and I'm kind of working backwards. So when you see this, it will be November. No joke, it is September. But I am that far ahead and my OCD kicks in and I have to put stuff away, so I can't leave it out. So I wanted to show you all this so that I can put it away. If you've been watching for a while, you probably know that I have been working on some, I would say they're kind of shabby. I don't know. They're just kind of shabby chic bundles, for lack of a better word. But I was running low on, I thought I had a lot more doilies that I could dye for the different color shades that I'm doing, and I didn't. So I hadn't, expected to find these, but I ran to do a couple errands, and I thought, well, I'll just, swing through the thrift shop, and luckily I found all of these, so that was awesome. So I did find these. These are called, I was trying to think about these, like back in earlier this month in September, not in November, about what these were called, but they're called cord end crimps, and here's how I use them. Zenny's in the way here. Let's see, where is that? Oh, here it is. Here's one. When we did Sewing Notion Sunday, if I could get it to come off there. When we did Sewing Notion Sunday one week, I did these bobbin dangles, right? And I added this little bingo piece. And this is how I add all of my game pieces, how I turn them into charms, because it's cheap. And this little thing was only 50 cents. So that's how I do that. In case you're wondering, let me put this back. So before I show you I'll save the best for last. I did buy this, and I'm going to show this on another video that will have aired way before this, but I intended to use this, either paint it white and turn it into shabby chic, and then put something in the center of it as a little display piece, like on a little picture stand. But I had that baby journal, and if you're watching this by this time, it should probably be done. And it just so happened that it fit right inside of here. And so I think when I cover this, if I do this in white or even a pink and then put something in the center with that around it, I couldn't believe it fit that perfect. I was like, it was $1. It wasn't what I intended to use it for, but I think it will work. So I'm going to go for it. Okay. So the first bundle, I think, I've taken these out, but I think that there were 3 or 4 bundles. So the first one just has, these all appear to be edging for, this is the same, edging for pillowcases. I'm cool with that. Most are crocheted. I think there might be one that's tatted in there, but I'm not positive. But these are going to be perfect for me to dye. So I did the pink bundles, and then I want to do a powder blue, a seafoam green, and then I think I'll do one just in neutrals. So, this will get me started. And then, okay, so these were all the whites. There you go. So all of those, and then this one, it kind of looks like it's tatted. I think it is. What do you think? I'm not positive. I usually can tell tatting. This one's a little more dense, if you will, not as delicate. So I'm not sure. And then this one is just, and these are all kind of a creamy ivory color. This is more of, is that more of that? Yeah. But see, they all have, they're all one continuous piece. So I got that stack. And let's just move all this together. And then I found yet another one. Well, there was this. I'll just lay this out and just stack on top of it. And then I found another one of those. Not for $10, only $1. And then there was this one. Clearly that came off of a pillowcase. And this one. Super, super cute. When I made this little, my teacup pincushion, I used some of this on there. Some of, I think this. Yeah. No? I don't know. I used one of them. Because I'm doing these, this is more of that. All basically in one day because I need to clear this out. This is really cool. There are 2 of them, and it's stretchy. I think those were for pillowcases. I mean, I guess you could, they could be for a hem of a skirt too, but I don't think they are. Okay, then let's go from the larger ones. I got this one that is kind of squarish. So all of these that I'm just showing you right now, with the exception of this one, will go in the to be made. Hopefully by the time you see this, I will have already made a couple more bundles. I sure hope so. I got this one. This one is pot holder, but it's super cute. And it's orange, so that probably won't go. It'd be fun to do a peachy one. Oh, and this one too. Maybe I should do a peachy one. I don't know. What do you guys think? Tell me. I don't know that peach is the real hot seller, but for shabby chic. But this I thought would be really cute in a cookbook journal or a retro journal, and I'll tell you why in a second. This one is tatted. Yep. Well, yeah, I think some of it's tatted. And then this one's just more kind of regular. And it's big. So there was a lot to be had that day. And I was just in there with a couple of my my new friends, and there was none. And so I was pleasantly surprised. They must have just brought them out. Then I got this little stack. Let's see. How come there's... Oh, because they were all in a bag. So there was this one. And then this. This is a... Gosh, I might want to use this for decoration in my... It's a tea towel. Do I want to use this? I don't want people using it. I just want it for decoration. Okay, I got to think about that one. That might be staying right in my... I don't know. We shall see. And then finally, for textiles, I got... I'm assuming these are napkins. They are starched, which is makes my heart happy. I mean, I love a good starched napkin. Would I ever probably do it? No. But they're beautiful. And that's all there is on them. But, I mean, the fabric is fantastic for... That one's got a little bit of goobery on it. But even cutting them out. And I think these were $1. These were $1 for all of them. So I got all of that for, I think, $5. All right, those are not going in the turn into something pretty. But let's go back to this little beauty. And let me show you what I got. So I first found all of the linens. And then I went to the books, and I always look at the cookbooks. And I've had some pretty good luck there. But I didn't find 1, I didn't find 2. I found 3 Betty Crocker cookbooks. Now, this is the running joke between Pam, Vanny, and I, that I still have yet to do a Betty Crocker cookbook journal, or any other of my Betty Crocker items, whether it be sewing or fashion or handyman. I have not done one. But this is staying out. Now, remember, when you see this, it will be November. So hopefully I will make that girl proud and we'll have this done by then. So I'm leaving it out because I'm going to start getting papers together. The reason I chose this one is because it's in horrible shape. And I'm like, well, and it is from 1950. This is the oldest one of the 3. I have tried to reattach, so I'm going to be really gentle. Reattach this. It's just a screw that's in there that's not really staying anymore, but I think I can I don't know. I think I can restabilize it, but it's not in great shape. And of course, I can always do something with the outside of it too. But this is 1950, so it doesn't have the vibrancy of colors. It's mostly, there's a few photos like that one. Doesn't that look delicious? I don't think in the 50s in the U.S. they called this charcuterie, but it basically is a big old charcuterie board. So we got beverages and bread. So I don't know. I haven't even flipped through these. There are some color photos like the last one. Look at those pigs in a blanket. Oh my goodness. I used to make mummy dogs for my kids. So they look like, around this time actually. And octodogs. And scuba divers that sat in the middle of a bagel with cream cheese, and I used peppers and made their little flippers and stuff. I was that mom. But hey, they never complained. They always ate it. They thought it was the best. My nephew actually was the one that loved them the most. He would get so excited. Look at the hen and chick. Some of you probably wish you had had one of those now. But anyway, this is the book. This is going to be it. Because I figure if I goof it up, and I'm not afraid of messing it up. I just think that they're so beautiful that I just don't want to, I don't know. But I feel okay. I felt okay about cutting into that. This one, and see, that's what I'm saying. Like, wouldn't this be cute in there? Or on the cover? I don't know. This one is 1947. So it is older than the other one. Degreaser, tough stuff. Engine scour for removing tar. Can perhaps buy it in an automotive department at Target. Did they have Target in 1947? Or did somebody just keep using this book? Because this is old. I don't know. Target. How long's Target been around? Oh my gosh, that's cute. So this one would be fun too. I am going to sell some of these. I know I keep saying it, but I really am. Both just as they are so others can create them. And then I will do some of these and sell them as journals. But this one is the newest, and it's probably my favorite because it's mid-century mod. But look at that. See? How cute. This is from 1975, I believe. I don't think that I saw the year, but it was given... I've had a sore throat. I'm sorry. In 1975, so I would assume it was new in 1975. I don't know what the copyright is, but... And it says, I should read it. Given to Sherry Lynn Anderson on December 25th, 1975. May all your meals be as good as these pictures look, and definitely better than some of mine. My first pot of beans, for example. Love always, Mom. That's kind of sweet. Well, somebody used it because there's like, I don't know, maybe like some pie crust flour. I don't know. It's on there. This is going to need some cleaning. That's super cute. So, you know what? I was thrilled to have found not one, not two, but 3 of them. And their cookbooks are really inexpensive. And then when I went to check out, I've told you before about the linen girls, and there are two girls that always do the linens. Well, apparently there's book girl too, because she a book lady. And so she went to get me. She goes, oh, I've got a bag for you to put these in. I'm like, oh, that's so sweet of you. And the lady checking me out said, oh, she's the book lady. And I'm like, well, I appreciate that. She was like, no, really, she's the book lady. She goes, I just put these out this morning. And so I'm like, well, my timing was impeccable. She goes, yes, it was. So that was pretty exciting. But that's my haul for this week. And I appreciate you guys subscribing, for being faithful followers. I do not have any specifics to share with you, specific people today, because I don't have my book in front of me and I don't know what I did with it. But I value every single one of you. And please, if you like this, like, subscribe, shoot me a comment, tell me what your favorite thing is that I shared with you today. And until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be. Cheers.